Sabotage as a result in security health. May sabotage katong pagkabaratay, pagpangguba sa mga gamit o nabas may mga dauton, no? So, yan, mga ay pasala yung mga inside job. Okay? So, ang purpose lang nila is to discourage the daily operations, no? So, para walay trabaho. Okay? Or kanang tungod kay naglagot sila or kanang ginatawag nato nga during the working hours nagkandak na noon sila og picket, no? Or kanang nagrally sa gawas. Yan, isabotahin nila ang operation. Sabotage is a deliberate or a clandestine destruction of facilities for the purpose of damaging the operation. So, again, pag may sabotage, the very purpose is to destroy or to discourage or to delay the possible operation of a certain company by way of damaging those important machineries or product, like for instance sa delivery, no, sa ang delivery i-delay nila pag-deliver, so nihawa og sayo pero dugay niabot dito sa nag-order, so siyempre maglagot ang magli ipabalik gina ang order kaya di naman magamit, late naman siya, so yan, no, kung delaying, so delaying the delivery of the products to a certain company nga naka-contract dito sa sa kumpanya kung asa tong taong nagsabotay sa pag-deliver kanang mag-deliver. Okay, so in most common practice of this are the employees. So as I've said earlier, sa konsulti ganina, na 95% of losses of the company is made by the employee itself, no, who are dissatisfied katong wala na ganahi kay gigamayan sa sweldo, no, na gusto kuan siya ngani-ani. So yan, hindi o katong mga gamay lubot nga gikasab-an lang sa manager kay nagkamali ya, tapos kay ihang gidibdib mayo, ihang daot ang operations. So with the treatment of their demand are not given attention, most often are those member of the union sa konsultin ako ganina na instead na magtrabaho nagpikit na noon, or other are the insider of this business rival. Subversive activity sa mga pag-atake sa mga bandido as a result of security hazard, no, pag dili matagaan og protection money, so extortion money, so ilahang bombahan or sinugon, no, so pasayang delivery, no, or sa kanang sa road construction dauban ang bulldozer unsa baron. So subversive activity is a kind of destructive activity of the member of the lawless elements such as extortionists or the group of bandits who are asking for a revolutionary tax. Most of the destructive of the extortionists or revolutionary group are indiscriminate arm attack and burning of equipment and the vital installations of the businesses, company or engineering construction firm. So yan. So security survey, na take note, una may tabo ang itong security inspection, siyempre mauna sa ang security survey. Ang purpose sa security survey is tanawon to mga possible hazard. So kung unsa ang ma-recommend na to eliminate the possible risk and to minimize the damage of the company, so ang muhimo ni katong mga security consultant. So pagtanaw sa security consultant, tanan niyang findings, so maghimo na sa recommendations. So ang buhaton sa kumpanya pag human sa kuan sa survey sa pinanay recommendation ng security consultant, dapat kung unsa tong gisulti dito sa security consultant, iyang tumanon, iyang buhaton kung ang imong purpose is dili ka malugi, no? So yan, ang security inspection mao na katong pagfollow up na sa security consultant kung katubang nakita niyang mga posibleng mahihinungdan sa pagkalugi sa kumpanya gituman ba sa kumpanya. So mao kita og security inspection. So iyang gibalikan, gi-inspect niya kung katong iyang mga nakita nga na mga lugar na pwedeng hinungdan sa pagkalugi sa kumpanya, gibuhatan na bag-aksyon sa kumpanya. So ang security inspection, pagbalik, pag-inspect, kung natuman ba ang mga recommendations nga posibleng makahinungdan sa pagkalugi sa kumpanya, no? Okay, so muna sa security survey, then security inspection. Okay. So security surveys are one of the great importance in every business, particularly those in this establishment. Security survey considers the countermeasures of the company for the possible losses or destructive activity of some adversarial personnel. This is also a security audit, which is considered as a factor. Tanawan yung security audit, no? Which is considered as a fact-finding ocular assessment or inspection to a certain industrial business company for the purpose of determining the possible strength and weaknesses. So, meaning, ang security survey, ang purpose ani is to establishing the SWOT. Ang sa maning SWOT, the strength of the company and what are those possible weaknesses of the company. Then, other threats. Ano sa maning other threats? Ang other threat, ani kining security guard. Mahulog ni siya ang other threat, no? Ang security guard. Kaya ba ng security guard, wapit ako balo kung unsa ilang kung ano nila, behavior, no? Or ilang breeding. Okay, so meaning, it is more on ocular survey, no? Or observations of the company. Now, security survey may serve also as a security measures of the company that may require to protect vital installations from possible damage or espionage of unauthorized personnel that may have an access to limited area of operations. Now, what are the security systems? So, tanan security system, katong discuss na ito itong mga last previous months, no? So, yun, yung mga alarm system, detection systems, yan. It is a set of policies, procedures of the rules and regulations intended to minimize the future damage or distractions that may arise as espionage, sabotage, and common crimes as company preparation and extended to a possible compromise of a vital information or trade secret, patent formula of the industrial company.